Okay, so I thought I'd do a little recap video here for how to manage campaigns. I talked about it within the campaign methods themselves, but just a refresher for you, okay? You don't just leave them. You have to keep an eye on them just to make sure, especially when you first set them up, just to make sure your rules are running, everything's all copacetic. So basically for the 10 pack with management, your rules are going to handle the pausing. You handle adding more 10 packs, okay? You start with 7 to 10, add more as you go on, and it's basically like one per day, okay? For the reload method for management, your rules are going to handle the pausing. You reload every morning. So there's basically 5 days for each ad set. If you give it 5 days and it's not working on a reload for 5, then just kind of don't go with that interest anymore or look like. Just switch, like add a completely new ad set at like $50 a day on auto bid and just reload that one for 5 days, okay? Because sometimes it'll take a while for it to catch on. The big boy method for management. Again, rules, they're your savior. They're going to handle pausing. You reload those ads every morning. And again, now at the ad level, you give each one of those about 5 days running. Then create new ads in the existing ad set and run those. Okay, it's not a matter of changing the targeting or changing anything at the ad set level with the big boy method. It's just a matter of dumping in more new ads. And so more new angles. So you can even change that image too. Like I use the same image on all three. Typically I'll change the background out on it just to make it a little bit different. So a good split test is to leave the text the exact same and just switch out the image. Sound good? You can do this. Take a breath. Start with 10 pack, move to the reload method, then move to the big boy method. You'll make some money. Everybody's going to be happy. It'll work fine. Alright, if you have any questions, let me know.